This one is done. Funky bitch has a problem. Probably a material loading here, I'll check that out later. Although this one looks pretty awesome. Doing a second dragon variant of the wood rainbow, or not wood rainbow, I'm sorry, clay rainbow. We'll be right back to see him later. And then, oh, those are really cool side by side. And this is something that I did for just on the OM. My friend's mom likes penguins, and one of them is going to be missing a beak or something. A little bit of misprinting on the bottom, which is going to make that hard to do a necklace. Might have to join that together some other way, but otherwise this is quite a ridiculous print, if I must be honest. But it's kind of funny. What do you think, Jethro? Oh, you like it. Sit. Sit. Can you sit? Thank you. Well, it fits a border collie. Alright, let me get this off here. Thank you for modeling that, Jethro. And this is kind of a cool thing to do. Skull leaf, which I think I did this on the same wood filament, or I keep calling it wood because I think it looks like wood, but it's clay rainbow for these dragons. And give me 1 second and I'll spread the wings on these.